Hey kid! What if one day you trip and scrape your knee or a sharp toy pokes your hand or foot? Don't be scared. Today I'll show you 3 super easy steps to take care of a wound all by yourself. Ready? Let's go. Step 1. Wash your hands really well. Use soap and water or hand sanitizer. If you have medical gloves, put them on. Clean hands keep germs away from the wound. Step 2. Clean your wound. Grab some clean water or saline and gently wash the hurt spot. If you see dirt or sand, ask an adult for clean tweezers and take it out very gently. Don't scratch. Step 3. Time to disinfect. Use a wound cleaning liquid like betadine or 70% alcohol. Gently dab around the wound. Don't pour it on if it's deep. All done? Great! Now after you cover the wound with a bandage, you can dab on a little red medicine, Povidine, 1 or 2 times a day to help it heal and stop germs. When your wound is dry, hurts less, and isn't red or swollen, that means it's healing. Here's a cool tip. When it's scabbed and dry, ask an adult to help you put a tiny bit of Tharakao turmeric on top. This helps new skin grow, keeps scars away, and brightens your skin. Remember, don't wrap your bandage too tight, and if you see swelling, pain, or yucky pus, tell an adult and visit a doctor. Stay safe and heal fast.